Good morning, everyone. A lot of crazy things have been happening in the world of AI. This is a newsletter initiative that we send every Monday, and this video is like a summary of all the major events that are happening, the developments, the new amazing tools that are out there. So, directly diving into the output of the newsletter, what we have shared is regarding the first news is our OpenAI. They have announced something new about their GPT-4 Turbo with Vision. It was not there before in their API for developers. Now they have introduced it for the developer community, and it's a huge news for people building products using this capability. And there are a lot of buzz around this APIs. There's a lot of good, you can say, reviews about there's a lot of use cases can be built, and more information is there in the OpenAI announcement blog and those details. And also regarding the GPT-4 Turbo, the new model that has been released, it is supposedly a better version, and specifically in maths and coding, it is supposedly doing well. And OpenAI is doing something very regular, and they are very working very hard to maintain their capability. There was some discussion about the charts, GPT-4 going up, cloud going down. These things will keep happening, but OpenAI's quest for development and helping the technology reach to the public will continue. One of the amazing and recent tools is Udio. Udio is a new tool that is available recently, and this is created by X Google DeepMind. If you just go to Oreo and Oreo app, let me just Google it for you. The Oreo, it is Audio, sorry, not Oreo, Audio app, and you will see this is the application. It's a very simple application wherein you just need to log in. It's free for now. You can log in with your Google Plus, and you can just give a prompt, create these are the basic Google sign-in. I'm just doing it. I will enter your own lyrics, style of music. I will say, I will just say create a intro music for my YouTube. Style of music, inspirational, and intro, and then just do generate. I do when you see this is the issue happening because of the please pay. So this is something new right now. Recently when it started, there were a lot of free trial free usages, but now you can see too many people are using, and the service pressure is high, so the free trial has been stopped. But you can if you want to do that right now, the option is not there, but you can, if you want to play along with it, you can just buy a plan of $9 and have a look about this thing. Now coming to the next news about, other than audio, it's a good app. It's one of the good apps for music generation. For all the Dr. Andrew Ng fan, he has been appointed as a director in Amazon, and this is a great news for people who are in the industry and known Andrew Ng about his experience, about what he has been doing, and this is a good collaboration, and getting him on board is very, very good, because he knows where and how AI can be beneficial as well. Google Cloud had just concluded their event recently. There were a lot of highlights about the improvement of Gemini 1.45 Pro, the token, the 1 million token, how many things they can take over. Vertex AI Agent Builder was one of the great initiatives that had happened. Plus, there was a very amazing tool that they have talked about called Google Vids, creating a automated AI video just by prompt for your presentation, for your product demo, and this is going to be launched very recently. And also a lot of generative AI agents which can use to automate tasks and improve the customer service. A lot of office productivity type of tools were being talked in this Google Cloud Next, and looking forward, we also have done a complete series of how to use Gemini Workforce for productivity, and now Gemini and Google are doing much more to enhance that particular experience. In other news, Stability AI has keep on working a lot. They have introduced stable LM2, which is a model with 12 billion parameters, and it underperforms Mixel 8x according to the most benchmarks that is there. Mistral also released a new open source model, Mixer 8x 22B, and this model is updated to their 7B and has 22 billion parameters instead of the 7 billion that was before. And these things are happening again and again, and the most important thing right now that is happening is about the chip industry. Companies, the big tech, are moving away from the Nvidia's dependence and thinking of making their own AI chips, and these are some of the developments that are happening. Other than this, there is one or two more updates. Other than the workshops and the mentorship, we have opened up one-to-one mentorship slots and internship opportunities, and we have talked about this, and we will make a separate video about this. We have this amazing webinar on Make. It's a platform for automation by Paul Cohen, and you can register in here in details, and we're open for collaboration. One more news, this is after the newsletter that I had was announced specifically for the region, is UAE, G42 and Microsoft there is a deal, and the best way to look at this is at the Microsoft Office blog, where they have talked about this initiative. And personally, and we were having this talk in the panel yesterday, that G42 is doing a lot of groundbreaking work in the health space in this region. And now coming to the health space, a lot of LLMs and lot of AI models have been trained on the Western genome, on the Western health conditions, on the Western people, which is very different from the genome and the current people that are found in the Asian region, in the Arab region. And that is why a lot of work has to be done, and Core 42 and G42 has been doing this work for a long time. And this partnership, and you can say this big partnership that Microsoft is having with UAE's the G42 company, which has a lot of company, Core 42, M42, all these companies are working towards building a localized AI ecosystem. So they have localized LLMs like JIS, which is Arabic based, plus a lot of things that are grown from the ground. So this is also one of the latest happenings, and it's very good for the UAE AI ecosystem, and this particular announcement. And I'm going to talk more about this in the next newsletter. But for now, this is an amazing news that is coming out from the region, and you can see it is covered in the media as well, in all the big channels like Financial Times and the other companies as well. So now coming to summarizing all the learnings that we had, is AI is expanding. It has a lot of things are happening week on week. We are trying to summarize everything for you. What are the main news specifically in the global arena, and something that is very important for the region, which has been shared with the community. So thank you all for watching this newsletter. If you have not subscribed to the channel and to the newsletter, and if you want to, please do that, and do get in touch if you have any suggestions, any collaborations, or any queries. Thank you, and see you in the next video.